Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will give a lecture on the area measurement in the application of survey. Today we will be discussing on the method of area measurement in surveying, which is the graphical measurement and the analytic measurement. There are several area measurement methods. There is the graphical measurement method using graphical paper. There are the analytical measurement method using the triangular approach, coordinate approach, trapezoidal approach, and the Simpson's approach. Firstly, the graphical measurement method using the graphical paper. This method is just for rough estimation. The analysis area is drawn onto a graphical paper with a defined scale. The area is determined by counting the number of boxes, where accurate result will be achieved if the section or boxes are smaller. Let's see the example. Let's say we have a certain area on the drawing. We drew the area onto a graphical paper with our section size of one box equal to 1 meter square. First, we calculate the amount of full boxes. For this example, the amount of full boxes are 160 sections. Next, we calculate the total amount of partial boxes. The partial boxes are assumed to be equal to half of the full section. The total amount of partial section are 60 sections. After calculating the amount of full and partial section, we sum up together and multiply it with the size of one single section. So, the area is 160 full section plus 60 divided by 2 partial section multiplied by 1 meter square, which is the size of one full section. This gives the value of 190 meters square. Now let's say we make the size of one full section smaller. The size of one full section is equal to 0.25 meters square. The total amount of full section here is 717 sections. And the amount of partial section is 123 sections. Therefore, with the size of one full section equal to 0.25 meters square, the total area is 717 full section plus 123 divided by 2 partial section multiplied by 0.25 meters square, which gives you 194.6 meters square, which give a more accurate value of the area measurement. Now let's move to the next method, which is the analytical method. The first analytical method is the triangle approach. This is used for area which has straight sides and the amount of sides are limited. The result is quite accurate. The area is divided to some triangle and the area of each triangle is calculated separately by the following formula. Area of the triangle equals to half times A1 times A2 times sinus alpha 3. Let's say we have a certain area as on the drawing. We then divide the area into several triangles. In this case, the area is divided into 4 sections, A, B, C, and D. Using the formula of the triangle equals to half times A1 times A2 times sinus alpha 3, you need to pick 2 sides of the triangle and calculate its distance. After that, calculate the angle that is in between the 2 sides that you have chosen earlier. For area A equals to half times A1 times A2 times sinus alpha 3. For area B equals to half times B1, B2 times sinus beta 3. Area C equals to half times C1 times C2 times gamma 3. Area D equals to half times D1 times D2 sinus delta 3. After each area of the triangle is obtained, to calculate the whole area, then sum up the area of each triangle. Therefore, the total area is area 1 plus area A plus area B plus area C plus area D. Well, that is all for this session. Until we meet again in the next session. Thank you.